Cloud. Yes, we are recording this meeting. Professor Rao.
Continue.
Just say continue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, we're just getting the text sorted out.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah, get it out.
On the other side. Actually, we should grab a mouse and put it here. Mouse, David.
So, Professor Rao, it has been a great pleasure to be associated with you and be a student of yours for quite some time.
Gopal, you have to speak loudly.
Okay.
Let's give Professor Atre and Anandi a minute.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. I wanted her to.
There
Where-
she is.
where
Hi,
is she?
Anandi.
Hi, Professor Atray.
Madam, namaste.
You see her at the bottom?
Yeah. Okay, we see.
I don't know. Let's introduce themselves. Okay.
Okay. So, Dr. Rao, we will ask Professor Atray to to greet you and then say a few words. Madam, namaste.
You know, Anandi auntie is there, but I don't see Ma auntie yet.
She will come.
Okay. All right. Then we'll go around. Then we'll wait for Atray, madam.
I think
Dad's special day.
who is this?
Ajay is spectacle.
Anybody has her?
This is a review of Professor Atre.
Good
Okay.
morning. Can you see me?
Huh?
Yes, yes.
Rajeshwari.
Hi.
Namaskaram.
Oh,
Rajeshwari, hi.
Hi. What a lovely morning.
Night time over here.
Yeah. Arun, can you text Atray, madam? It would be nice if we start with.
Anandi auntie is there.
Sir, వినపడుతుందా?
Ah,
Okay, okay, okay. Very good. Hi, Ravi. Hi, Diva. Hi, Diva.
Long time. Yeah.
Rajeshwari, Sarika is here.
Yeah, Sarika is here. Let's say hi.
Sir, very happy birthday.
So I think
What a lovely morning here.
Arun, just kindly let maybe text Atray madam to see if she can come online to speak. Acha. All right. So we'll go around the clock. I mean, I'm just saying this now that we have Satish Sharma sir. Satish ji, you are senior most, I guess, in the whole team. We should start.
No, it is Alok.
Hello. Then you start. Hello.
Alok, bhai. We started with Alok.
Let's start with Alok alphabet.
Sir, happy birthday to you. It is a great pleasure to be associated with you, your family, Dr. Atray and her family for in a say like the cold winter 1970. I came and met you in chemistry department, Delhi University. I hope it is 52 years. It is a great association. I cherish it for whole of. Thank you, sir, for this great association to me. And I hope all of them. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Alok. Thank you. Next we'll go around. Sharma ji.
Oh, okay. I will tell you, I am the very first student of Dr. Rao.
Wow.
Very, very first.
Alok,
And I
Alok, Alok, most important, you remember Daddy used to say, he used to go at 11:30, 12 for lunch to all the on. Lunch is very important.
70 rice was not available in Delhi. Rice was not available in Delhi. That was the great problem. And I am a food rice eater. Till
Oh,
now.
you know, Alok used to come to our house Daddy used to torture him to write the thesis, and we used to, he used to be walking around, and he used to think, "Bechara, kitna tang karta hai isko."
I enjoy Madam Rao and all these kids. These kinds of people are kids. So I enjoy their company very much. And I hope I have gone to see cinema with them also.
Yes.
The Guns of Nevaram, if I remember correctly.
Guns of Navarro, yes.
Guns of Nevaram.
Chanakya.
Chanakya.
Ravi and we went. I hope I remember.
Yeah, I still
Dr. Rao,
remember.
Dr. Rao, you fed us all so much that we did not want to get out of your lab because we will miss your food.
That's because of Ratna, my wife.
Yes. Sharmaji, go ahead, please.
Namaskar, Dr. Saab. Wish you happy birthday. And sir, I think on your right is Divakar, in the mid is Ravi, and the Bharti I could make out only with her voice because she has a lot of change. And
Ravi's wife.
I think as now recently Dr. Alok was saying that we all enjoyed many a time, but I will narrate one more incident. I had the opportunity to visit with you Hyderabad. That was my first visit. Yes, we joined in December 1975, and I remember that time there was one person. He told, "I'm Ralabandi Venkatrama Sastri." I told, "What?" He told, "RVR Sastri." Yes, I think this will do. Okay, because we both joined the same day, the lab, and that was the same project of the UGC. And whatever we are today is all because of your blessing, your guidance, and all everything. Yes, and sir, I remember that I visited you to CCMB that time. You allow me to stay with the Minister of Education, Narul Hassan. That time he was side room, and you took me to the Kamath Hotel for the food. And there, first time you introduced me to Uttapam. It was just like for me, because in our Haryana we make that is called Puda, Chilla you call nowadays. So that is the same type of thing.
You have written, Satish ji, you have written quite a few memories. Nice of you to write all the Paratha memories also in your write-up.
And sir, we came to your 60th birthday also. That time Love was in my lap, and that time also we Madam के साथ जो खाना भी खाया हम लोगों ने बैठ के बनाया भी था. And I think she is fond of assisting in the kitchen, and that time because that photograph is I think okay. Yeah. So sir, what I will say is we have a lot of memory, lot of things we have learned from you, and the confidence what you have given us. And particularly, I still remember you putting me on my head, Dr. Alok, to check that the reproducibility of my results. So, because you are that word with a pinch of salt, beta, once you repeat it, we'll take it with a pinch of salt, because after repeating 10 times, you wanted me to repeat the experiment 11th time also. And comparing with Arjuna, say that because he used to practice daily. Sir, we were not Arjuna, but we like Eklavya. Yes, we wanted to remain that way. And hope that we have not let you down, and we have performed well in our life with your all blessing and everything, sir.
Thank you, Sharmaji. Thank you very much. I think Madam
Again, I wish you happy birthday, sir.
Madam,
Yeah, I'm here. Gopala Krishna, उन्ना
Atre madam hai ke?
Atri madam.
No, Anandi.
Yes, yes,
Madam is
yes.
there, I think, in the name of Anandi. Hai na?
Yeah, Anandi, you
Yes.
take it as Anandi.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Madam, can you speak? Atre madam, can you speak?
I
Please.
think in the last get together, Professor Rao decided to remain silent, and in this get together, Madam Atre is decided to remain silent. There is a pattern.
No, probably her speaker is not working. She is not able to hear us. I
Yeah,
think. I don't know.
I think she's muted.
Yeah, but
But also the camera is on Anandi auntie, not Maha auntie.
yeah.
No, camera is on. I can see her, but I
that-
think probably is she able to hear us? I'm worried.
No, the
All right.
camera is on.
Ajha, ma'am is able to hear us. Hello, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Mic nature.
You are muted, ma'am.
Unmute. Please unmute.
Yeah, now we could hear you.
Hello?
Yes.
Good
Yes, yes, yes.
Good
Now
morning.
we could hear you. Go ahead.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
I can.
We can hear you.
Namaskar, madam.
A very happy birthday, Dr. Rao.
Thank you.
Are you able to see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Where Mahalakshmi auntie?
Very good morning. How
Good
is
morning,
it?
madam.
Madam, can you lift the camera little bit up?
Yeah.
This is good. This is good,
She
madam.
is inaudible,
Okay.
please. Madam is inaudible.
Also, volume can be increased.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
More.
This is good. I think we can start.
This is good. This is good. You can
Okay,
progress.
okay.
ma'am.
I think she's having. Madam, say a few words to Professor Rao and us. We have so many people joined here.
Oh,
You can see the screen.
I have already written to him.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now it's better.
Okay. Now it's better. Okay. So Rajeshwari, thank you. Go ahead.
yes.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Ma'am, no, not ma'am. Ma'am is speaking or I am speaking?
You are speaking, Rajeshwari.
Rajeshwari.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Sir, hello.
Hello.
Sir,
Go
very
ahead.
good morning. Sir, very good morning. Namaskaram. It's such a lovely morning. I'm very happy to be here with all our your ex-students. And nice to see Ravi, Diva, Bharti. Hi, Bharti. I'm seeing you after a very long time. Sir, I very many best wishes on your 90th birthday and wish you a very, very long and healthy life. And also wishes from my husband Venkat. Unfortunately, he is not here because of some logistics problems. Can you please share the screen of Dr. Rao, please? I can't see him. And Deepak Sharma is online. Can you please share the screen with Dr. Rao, please? Hello.
What do you want
Hello.
me to do?
Yeah,
Can I see Dr.
No,
Rao? I can't see.
No, Rajeshwari.
Now I can see. Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Now I can see. Because of some logistics, as you know, we have a small granddaughter and my daughter lives in house cast. She is a clinician, Ravi, like Diva. And her husband is a plastic surgeon, has gone to London for a fellowship. So the daughter, we are changing duties. So please excuse that Venkat wanted to be here very much. So I'm conveying best wishes on behalf of him. And it is very nice, such a long journey. And you have really given us a good start, you know, to understand the basics of research, what is actually, you know, how to go about it. I've written some points in my write-up I'm sure you will find it interesting to read. And the lovely Sundays I used to spend with Bharti for lunch and reading Chandamama stories for her. I don't know whether Bharti remembers it. And had nice lunch, Telugu bhojanam, and every Sunday I used to drop in. I mean, the number of memories come, it's really, I'm a bit confused where to start with. But I think you have really given us both in terms of understanding the research, how to go about it, and not only that, how to, guide the student, keep a very amicable atmosphere in the laboratory, because students are students, they just come out passing after MSc, and then keeping them together, flock, and making a very nice, friendly atmosphere, having lunches at Vanabhojanam and all that stuff really made us. And I tried to inculcate some of them. I don't know whether I have done it or not. I'll be retiring next month. And really left with lot of memories. In fact, I was thinking to drop into Hyderabad if you were there, but I couldn't. But this is really lovely. All of your children have grown up very nicely. They have nice grandchildren. It's really nice, to worked with you. Even after leaving the lab, I was kept on getting suggestions from you, but somehow later in the career, sort of lost the connectivity, but you're always in our minds. And I wish you a very, very healthy, happy, and successful future with your children and grandchildren. And really nice to see you here. And you haven't changed, all of you haven't changed at all. The smile on Bharti, lovely. Bharti, I knew you like a small little girl in the school. And what a nice coffee club we had. We used to share coffee and things like that. Only I missed.
You are giving away all the write-up. You are giving away everything that you put in the write-up.
Yeah. But it's nice to share 1 or 2 points with him on this day personally. It makes a lot of sense to me. So if I'm run out of the time, Gopalakrishna, tell me.
Yes, I think let's go around. We are eager to hear.
Okay,
Dr.
fine. Sir, thank you very much.
The hero of the day is Dr. Rao.
And I want to thank Gopalakrishna and Arun. 1 minute. I want to thank Gopalakrishna and Arun, who have made this initiative and worked wonderfully. Thank you, both of you.
Oh yeah, welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Arun, she took your name. So
speak.
you say Arun. She took your name, so you should say next.
No problem.
Go ahead. Arun, go ahead. Next. Arun.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, Dr. Rao. I'm extremely happy to see you after so much of time, such a long time, and nice to see Ravi, Divakar, and Bharti also. It was extremely nice. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Yeah. You could hear. They could hear you.
Yeah, you can hear you.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So yes, my wife is also here, Rama, come, and she wants to say hello to you. When you visited us in 1995, and when we came to your place in 1993 or so, and my son with little son. So my son still remembers Dr. Ravi, who treated him when he was having cough. It was such a nice time, and then we remember Madam Rao when you were all here in my home, and it was such a nice time. And of course, entire career I kept, even now also I remember you, Dr. Rao, because there were so many basic things that I learned from you. First thing is never get angry, and I think it was the greatest virtue I ever had. I was very short-tempered in my home, and anything going missing or anything going something haywire, I was always very getting angry. But then I learned from you one of the biggest lessons in my life and entire career. I think it was the biggest thing that I carried. But one of the most important things about being in Delhi University was, it entirely changed my outlook. Here is Rama, and I say Rama.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi.
yeah. Yes.
Okay.
And it was an interesting, and I have written everything in my write-up. And Gopala,
Yes.
go ahead. I'm very happy to see all of them after a long time. Go ahead.
Sure,
at,
sure.
Next. Yeah.
Next, let's have Suresh Kumar.
Gopala,
Yes, sir.
Gopala, 1 second.
I think Skaria should come in first, I think.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 second.
Okay, so I'll go next.
Gopala, my daughter want to wish happy birthday to Professor Rao. She is going for exam, so
okay.
about to
Okay.
go.
All the best. Best of luck.
Yes. Yes,
So,
yes,
sir,
yes.
this is Mingo, and this is Kavita, and she's going to drop her to school. So I thought to take a little bit out of turn time.
Oh, no problem. All the best.
No worry.
Mingo.
All the best. All the best.
All the best, girls.
Skaria, go ahead.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So it's so nice to see Dr. Rao and of course, Madam, and also the children, Divakar, Ravi and Bharati. I know I remember one last time I saw Bharati was in a hospital in San Francisco. She broke her leg and got admitted in San Francisco hospital, and that's where I saw her last time. So that it was a wonderful time we had at Dr. Rao and Atray's lab. You let us explore so many different things, whatever that we wanted to do. There was no limitation on what we could try. And my professional career ever since has been always exploring different things, and I have done so many different things and still continuing to do that. And that is, I learned that from your guidance, and of course, Madam and you both were equally important in guiding us through that process, and it continues ever since. And once you are a student, you're always a student of you. So I'm still learning from you. Last time I talked to you couple of months ago, I never, your voice sounded the same as 40 years ago. It hasn't changed. And, it was so wonderful to hear your voice at that time. And you're still so as curious as you used to be, and learning about new things, and trying to understand what I have been doing, and, asking very, great questions about what currently I am doing, and, curious to learn about all that. And I mean, it's the same Dr. Rao that I left 40 years ago.
Yeah.
Thank you, Skaria. Thank you.
Thank
Suresh,
you, Skaria.
I wish you a wonderful, wish you a happy birthday and a wonderful life together with your family, and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Suresh Babu.
Yeah, good evening to Professor Rao. Happy birthday, 90th birthday. I'm very happy to see all my seniors, few seniors, Satish and Alok, Rajeshwari and all others, my juniors and colleagues, we used to have fun in the lab at that time, Skaria, myself, Rajeshwari was almost leaving, and Ashok is missing from this group actually.
Yeah. He said he will join a little later.
Oh, okay. Arun and we had, at that time, 4 or 5 people, young guys, were very active in the lab, and then, learning was one thing, and we, as Arun said, Arun and Skaria said, we used to open pumps, and then change the oil, and not only changing the oil. So we have learned not only science from Professor Rao and Atray, we have learned the art of living, to be practical. So many things we used to do in the lab, myself and Vasu, we used to smoke, and Dr. Rao used to get little bit irritated, but I don't know, he never said. Later I left smoking, realizing the importance of living. So what I want to say is that when in science also, like I have moved as a scientist to IICB, and I had the opportunity to give a PhD to 18 students. And I wrote in the write-up that all the art of learning and expressing, all these things I have imbibed from Professor Rao and Atre. So there is, when I came from Indore, my language was not very good. My science was not very good. All these things have been shaped up by Professor Rao and Atre in the lab. More than science, Delhi experience was excellent. Actually, we used to go to Connaught Place to eat doshas, and so those days were very wonderful. And we just cherish the memories of all those days. Even now I visited the Delhi University a couple of times. Our labs and all were gone. They have erected a big building there, and everything has changed. So I think, the life was wonderful at that time there. We just enjoyed. And even now we have some of the photographs. So I wish Professor Rao a happy and, healthy life ahead for several years to come. And also Madam just recovered from her COVID. I wish her also, healthy life ahead. And all my colleagues, senior colleagues and juniors, they have wonderful life. Although I have retired from science, I don't no longer do any science. I just enjoy my life, in Trivandrum, settling down in Trivandrum, taking care of my family and other things. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Suresh.
Thank you. Thank you, Suresh.
Yeah. Next slide. I'm not going by any seniority, but I see Suman. Suman was an extended member of Rao's lab. So I think Suman, let's hear from Suman. Suman, unmute karo, Suman.
Yeah.
So many songs.
Yeah, it's coming. It's come. Yeah.
Sir, do you remember me?
Of course, of course.
Of course.
Actually, Suman, I was told that you are in the Massachusetts area, Boston area, and then afterwards, I lost trace of Suman. I lost the trace of Suman about 7-8 years back. But now I know that you are back in the Delhi University system, that one. I'm very happy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Suman, brief,
first
yeah,
of all, happy birthday, sir. Many happy returns of the day and wishes for a very long, healthy, happy many years. And we always remember you, sir. I always remember you, and I will always remain grateful to you for accepting me in your lab. As he said, I was a member of the extended family, and I was Professor Babu's student. I have written in my write-up also.
Suman, your audio, I think, is an issue.
The audio is cut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the kind of work I wanted to do at that time, which was, DNA, molecular biology of 80s, Professor Babu did not have facility of that kind. And somehow I had come to know that you have the UV absorbance spectrophotometer and CD and all. So I had just come running. I would not have continued, sir, with my PhD if you had not accepted me in your lab. So, and so believe me, even today, because of that chemistry, a very strong chemistry component in my PhD and my research work, I find it so helpful even today. When my last PhD student who submitted her thesis had one full chapter on CD spectroscopy. And I was so comfortable with it because that was a part of my PhD. So for a botany person to have an understanding of what is CD and how it can be used to understand some aspects of DNA, that is very unusual. And I give full credit to you and of course to the students, your students, Suresh and all, Suresh Keria, they were very helpful to me for that. And most importantly, if you remember, I got my job very early. I was already working in Pusa before I submitted my thesis. So Professor Babu used to be in the department for checking his 3 chapters, but for the 2 chapters which I did under your supervision, I had to go to your house before getting those chapters corrected. So I was a guest in your house. You used to correct the thesis and I used to be sitting with ma'am eating those, delicious upma and vada. I had a great privilege of being a very extraordinary student in your lab. I'm so grateful to you, sir. We have learned so.
I think she has connection issues.
Have from the students, from
Yeah,
that
yeah.
chemical environment in my research career, which has been paying me till date. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. I think others have a lot to speak. So I will not speak.
Thank you.
One
Thank
bit of
you.
information. In Hyderabad, our house is named after Sumana by Padma, my wife. Sumana.
Oh, okay, that's
Oh.
interesting.
Sumana. Okay, where have you gone? Somewhere.
She's there. She's in the middle.
Sumana. The other thing I remember, I came to your Vyavasa in botany department. Professor Babu was there. And then at the end of the Vyavasa, when the
Yes, sir.
examiner was happy, so I asked the examiner, I want to ask a few questions. And everybody said, what is this one? See the student, and then the student is being asked by the teacher in a Vyavasa. All your colleagues in botany department were asked, but then when I asked, you answered all the questions. And I'm quite happy, very, very happy with that one. I always remember this one.
Regarding
You are so
Yes, sir.
hopeful of getting a lot of information from the CD spectra that you are doing, and very, very pleasant personality that you have. Whenever you come to the department, just to feel happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I don't remember Vaijayanti. Yeah, Vaijayanti, I recognize you here. Okay. Vaijayanti, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Namaskaram, sir.
Namaskaram, ma.
Namaskaram, madam. Atri, madam. Hello, my dear friends. So, a very happy birthday to Professor Rao. So it was, good to see you today after such a long time. And, when I entered the lab, I have written a little bit in my write-up, but it was all done in a very hurry. So I just wanted to share with other people, when I wanted to do PhD, I decided doing PhD at IIT, but my professor under whom I wanted to do, he was going abroad for a few years. And so he said, you can't be doing under me. So why don't you, I will suggest somebody at IISc, why don't you go there? I said, recently there was an episode in our house, I wanted to do MTech and my parents didn't allow me to go to Kharagpur. MTech I got only in Kharagpur. So since I wasn't very serious about GATE, I didn't score well in GATE. Of course, I did come in higher percentile, but it wasn't very good. I got, admission in, not admission, I got selected for IIT Kharagpur. So my parents didn't allow me to go there, and then I cried for 15 days and they wouldn't let me go. Then I said, sir, aap IISc suggest kar rahe hain. So again, I will have to ask them. Again, they will say no. They wouldn't want me to go out for a PhD for 5 to 8 years somewhere, out of Delhi. So, okay, I compromised. I said, okay, let me go back to Delhi University. And my father was from Delhi University. So everybody suggested if you want to go into teaching, you should get back to Delhi University. And the only clarity in my mind was that, I wanted to do some work related to instruments. Something to do with instruments, nothing else was clear. So I just came hunting for somebody, and then we entered, my father was also with me, we entered the chemistry department, and then we saw the board professor H.G. Krishnamurthy. I said, okay, chalo, we got some South Indian here. So we entered his room, and then he said, then it took a bit of advice. He also asked me, what is your favorite area? What do you want to do PhD in? I said, sir, I am very fond of analytical chemistry, so I would like to do something related to instrument. That much I know, nothing much. So he said, okay, then Professor Rao and Professor Atri's lab is the most suited one for you. So you go to Professor Rao and meet him. So I went there, And then sir called me, almost 3 days, consecutively 3 days. I came there for almost 2 hours. We had a interview sessions, and then he kept on asking me. Then after the 3rd day, then he did accept me. He said, I cannot promise you whether you will get registered under me, but then either Professor Atri or me, one of us will definitely take you. Then I went back. Then he told me, you take enough, holidays, how much ever you want, 15 days, 1 month, 2 months, then you come back to work, because after you join PhD, you will not get any time off. So I said, okay, some around 15-20 days I took off, and then I came back, joined. And when I joined, then quickly I made friends with all the girl students and all, Shashi, Ratna, Vagara, Suniti and all. They said, oh, it is you. Sir has been telling about, some girl is going to join. He was very excited. Some girl is going to join from IIT. We thought you were in some way related to sir. I said, Acha, was it so? So I was very happy to know that he was quite excited on my joining. But then later on, during the PhD time, I do know that there were many things, and he wasn't very much satisfied with the way I was progressing, but he was always very nice. I could tell him anything. Once he told me, okay, can you go and take my MSc class? I said, no, sir. We could simply say no to him, he wouldn't mind at all. He will say, ha ha, that, he's famous. He will smile like that. So I said, then he said, why don't you want to, take my class? I'm making you a professor. That is what you wanted to be. I said, sir, I want to become a real professor, not this one. I don't want to do an acting here. But that was my foolishness. That was the training ground, for me. And then I didn't accept it. Now, today I realized that. So then, of course, Tika and ma'am was also, equally helpful to us, all of us. And anytime I could approach ma'am or sir, and in all our discussions, both of them were there. And, the one thing I wrote in my write-up also, ma'am used to remember each and every reference by heart. This journal, this volume, this page, not even one page will go amiss, 95 page number.
Very true, very true.
And she would tell me that, go and refer this article. I will note it down, I wouldn't remember. I will note it down, run, and then I will find, oh, it is there. So that's how, we work with ma'am and sir. And I learned a lot of things like upkeep of instruments. And then even when today I'm using in our college, we don't have sophisticated instruments. We have very small instruments, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000 wala instrument we use. So usme bhi, I'm very oh, hum bolte na apne aap ko, I'm praising myself, but I can't refrain from doing so because I feel so. Each and every single button in that, the key or whatever, all the knobs, all the functions, first, I would learn what is the function of each and every knob, how is, and what is, behind the box. I tell my students like this, ये जो डब्बा है जिससे pH measure कर रहे हैं, इस डब्बे के अंदर क्या है? You should know that, it's not a dabba and then you mechanically press some button, get the pH and run away from here. So, all those things, the intricacies, CD instrument, it's such a complicated thing. So sir made me to read through the manual completely. Sara padke, Sara question answer sessions hone ke baad hi I was made to, I was allowed to use the CD instrument. So I learned so many things, how to keep everything properly, how to learn about the details of each and every instrument. So even today, instruments are my passion. So I always
thank you.
Training has been from sir and madam's lab. So thank you so much, sir. Wish you a very happy and healthy life. And ma'am also, namaste madam. Wish you also a very happy and healthy life ahead. Thank you so much. And because of both of you, I am here today. I am teaching in Gargi College.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thomas.
You are the only person
go sir.
Music, right? And how much of a music you have acquired from your husband?
Music.
Huh? Kyun?
Not from him. I keep singing something. He says, "Acha, abaswaram, abaswaram." Okay, I said I sing for myself, not for you. So you still remember him? Thank you so much.
I heard him on one of his programs on the radio. I heard him also. Very, very nice.
Dr. Rao, he's teaching my brother now. My brother is learning from him.
I told him he would have loved to be here, but he's not feeling well, so he just slept off
Yeah,
again. Got
and
up.
also because my brother is learning from Vajayanti's husband, Vajayanti was able to get my phone number because she asked, "Do you know so and so person?" That's how I got connected back into this. So thanks Vajayanti for that, circling back. Yeah, Thomas, we have let's move. Thomas,
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Thomas.
Yeah. Wishing a very happy birthday, Professor Rao. I think we talked last year. I think it is very nice to see you with your family, your children, granddaughter. I also, like everybody else, remember the good old days at Delhi University. I think the training I got from your lab definitely was gave the basic foundation for me to excel my career. I continue to be in research and very happily enjoying that. So you are a very, very nice human being, unlike probably many other professors. We could always come to you. You made us very, very comfortable, and it was like a home for us. The lab. I still remember the coffee time discussions every day afternoon. We used to make coffee and then have a chat and all the nice days at Delhi University. Definitely, it was a very, very enjoyable time. We also like to wish Professor Atai a good morning, good morning, and wishing Professor Rao happy birthday once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. Thomas was, sir, go ahead, sir.
You were saying something.
Who?
You.
No,
You were saying something, sir.
Thomas, what is this one? You have got something here under the bed, neck, under the mask. You are having a mask.
Yeah, actually, I'm on the way to my lab. So.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Thomas. Thomas
Yeah,
was the
thank you.
last person I know in the lab, sir. After Thomas, I did not know anyone. So
After that, I think Deepak is the next one.
the generation changed after that. Deepak, let's go.
Right.
So when did Thomas join?
I think 1990.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I think
that's
I came midway to 1993.
Not 90, maybe a little bit earlier. Anyway, Deepak Sharma ji.
Gopala,
Yes,
Gopala,
ma'am.
I'm trying to log in from some other laptop. There is a problem here. So can you please let me in again?
Sure. Yeah. Deepak, go ahead, Brave. Please.
Sure. I think
Please.
I joined Professor Athre and Professor Rao in 1993. And I was not sure what I want to do. And I was just happy-go-lucky person. And because my goals were to be pilot or something in Air Force. And then science landed in. And ma'am and Professor Athre and Professor Rao had a program on hair keratins and hair. And they encouraged me to be comfortable in uncomfortable situations. And I took upon. And I went through so many ups and downs and things, and tough love from Professor Rao to apply science to hair and all those things. And then I find myself leading a research organization in Johnson & Johnson, Gillette, and now Reckitt and Benckiser. And I think, oh my God. So be comfortable in uncomfortable situations. That's one thing I loved and learned from Professor Rao and Professor Athre. Challenge whatever doesn't make sense to you. Professor Rao never let us go around any explanation until it made sense, until we understood, even if he knew that he understands, but he'll make sure we understand or not. And that is helping me. I also not let people go around that easy, because now I invest in a lot of startups. I have to accountable for some $1 million and $2 million here and there when we invest. And that's where you learned how to differentiate between bullshit and real. And that has helped a lot. Thank you, Professor Rao.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you, ma'am.
Just-
Deepak Sharma's most interesting period for me was there was some project of some shampoo maker that repeated use of the shampoo would not leach the protein from the hair. So he's very popular amongst girls. And after that, girls from the MSc class there to come and then wash their hair with the shampoo and then collect all the washings and
The protein leach outs.
separate the protein from the washing. And the protein has to be estimated all the way in JNU, Dr. Carr's laboratory. And after a few days, again, the team will come. So in the chemistry laboratory, we are having a hair salon kind of thing there. But he's very, very efficiently done, and the results were satisfactory for the person who has given the money to Dr. Athre. That's very nice. That one. And,
Very good.
Scanning microscopy was also done on those hair samples, I think.
Yeah, a lot of scanning microscopy. I used to travel to Bareilly, to
Yeah.
Satish's place to get electron microscope. Time was so premium. But I think
L'Oreal, I think. The company was L'Oreal.
no, it was Colgate. But they were trying to compete with P&G and others.
Sir, you may be interesting to note that, L'Oreal has come to me, L'Oreal Bombay, because I did some samples on the skin with an MRI on the skin, which was very unusual. Sorry to interrupt if I'm not.
No, that's good.
Okay.
That's the kind of
So
discussion.
actually, I did some MRI on skin samples with tumors, benign and carcinogenic. So they wanted me to continue because skin MRI is very unusual. People laughed at me. You want to do skin MRI for skin? It's an external organ. But then I enjoyed it so much that they came to me and they said, aging skin you can do with the changes that you can read underlying with.
Rajeshwari, I had to make one announcement. I had to make.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. That's okay. It's not. So we set up the time for 1 hour. I am not sure whether if you exceed, it will stop. If it does, I'm going to create the link again and then share with everybody. Just want to.
Okay. So just quickly wrap up my thing. We enjoyed more than the lab, Professor Rao's house. Whenever he used to ask us to house sit, me and Devashish used to have like a lot of parties. Now we can say that. So we'll water the plants, but we'll also water ourselves and have fun. So with that, I'll give to Devashish. Go ahead, Devashish.
Yeah, just 1 minute. My husband is here. sir.
Namaste, Rao Garu.
Namaste.
Namaste, Rao Garu. I am Professor P.B. Kannak Kumar speaking. Husband of.
He knows.
Yeah.
He was asking about you.
Yes,
sir.
my wife told me that you were asking about me. Thank you for remembering me for the past 40 years. Sir, I want to talk to you in Telugu because this is the conference, okay, international conference, international talk. But నాకు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలని ఒక ఆశ ఉంది. Even though we are all speaking Hindi and English, no problem. But I want to talk to you in Telugu so that our relation and affection అది చాలా బాగుంటుంది అని చెప్పి అందుకు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలని మీతో అండ్ మేడం గారితో నాకు చాలా సన్నిహితం ఉంది. నేను ఢిల్లీ వచ్చిన కొత్తలో మిమ్మల్ని మీట్ చేశాను. కచేరీలో అన్ని కచేరీలో మనం మీట్ చేసేవాళ్ళం. టిఎన్ కృష్ణన్ కచేరీ ఒకసారి మీరు అక్కడ అరేంజ్ చేశారు. నిన్న కూడా మా వైఫ్తో చెప్తూ ఉన్నాను, ఆయన టిఎన్ కృష్ణన్ కొత్తగా ప్రొఫెసర్గా వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆయన కచేరీ అరేంజ్ చేశారు రావు గారు. అప్పుడు నేను అప్పుడే ఢిల్లీ వచ్చాను, నేను వెళ్ళాను. ఈ అబ్బాయి ఎవడు? టిఆర్ఎస్ గారు చెప్పారు, వీడేమో సంగీతం పాడుతాడు, ఎంఏ చేస్తున్నాడు. Then it was in 85 September. It was in 85 September. So ఇప్పటికీ ఇంకా నాకు ఆ జ్ఞాపకాలు నా మదిలో ఉన్నాయి. సో చాలా సంతోషం మిమ్మల్ని చూసినందుకు. అండ్ వెరీ హెల్దీ అండ్ హ్యాపీ లైఫ్ కావాలని భగవంతుని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను. And I think I don't take much time. I want to go to, I think I know then Gopala.
Yeah, hi, Kannan. Yeah.
I'm meeting just now. I'm meeting. I know everybody. I know everybody since 85. And madam, Madam Atreyi, namaste. Atreyi ji, namaste.
Okay.
Madam Atreyi ji, namaste. Because నేను మిమ్మల్ని మీట్ చేశాను 85 లో యూనివర్సిటీ క్యాంపస్, ఇన్ ద యూనివర్సిటీ క్వార్టర్స్ and professor quarters there. Now I also became a professor because of your blessings, because of your best wishes, and thank you so much. Nice meeting. Thank you.
I'm very, very happy to hear from you, Kannan Babu. And I knew that you are rising up in the music department, but I never had occasion to talk to you later on there because we left nearly almost 5 years back there. But
yes,
I know through your wife, all kinds of vicissitudes that you people used to have in the various departments and things like that. But all the best to you and your family.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm leaving.
Thank you very much. I think now we have Devashish and Archana. Devashish, you go first. Yeah. Archana ji. Archana, go
Good
ahead.
morning. Very happy birthday to you, Professor Rao. I am Archana Shrivastava. Now I have been named as Archana Madhukar, as my husband's name is Madhukar. So I joined Professor Atreyi in 1987 as an MPhil student, if you remember. When Suniti, Ratna, and in fact, Vajanti was also there. So a very happy birthday to you. Have a long life. Wishing you good health. And Professor Atreyi, good morning, ma'am. I hope you remember. And I am a professor at UP Technical University in Lucknow. And I have been teaching chemistry in the engineering courses here in Noida. So, sir, it is very nostalgic as I got my elder daughter who is now married to Miranda House, and then I went to the lab where we used to be there with Suniti, Ratna, Vajanti, Gopala. If Gopala remembers,
I remember. Yeah, used to travel by bus. I remember.
Yeah, so there we had a very nice time and learned lots of life. This is the memories which makes me nostalgic whenever I go to that area, because that area has changed a lot after a long time of 25-27 years when I visited that area. I still could remember Professor Atreyi sitting on the table and having a coffee mug in her hand. And I visited Professor Atreyi after my elder daughter was born, and she was just 6 months old. And she was so happy meeting me and my daughter. And she used to tell my daughter, okay, this is Nani. So that is a moment which I would ever, be deep rooted into my heart. Sir, you had a very nice, affectionate and very humble behavior with all of the students that were in the lab. And whatever I am today, because of Professor Atreyi and because of Professor Rao's nurturing. So, sir, not taking a lot of time, happy birthday to you, and may God bless you with good health and long life. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Archana. Yeah. I think we saved the best for last. Devashish.
Yeah.
Devashish, okay. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I wish Professor Rao happy 90th birthday and healthy life, happiness for all future. Where I joined the lab in 94 when Thomas was the senior most. Ratna was there once in a while coming, but not regularly in the lab. And Chittaranjan Das, Mini, as well as Deepak Sharma are few seniors who were there in the lab. being the last student, I didn't know I am the last student, but it turned out to be that I am the person who loved the lab finally. So I got blessings from both Professor Rao and Madam Atre, as well as lots of love from seniors. I never knew that I'll be ending up in research in my career, but I think a lot of discussion with this lab seniors and Madam and Sir has shaped it up finally where I am. Just to connect where Deepak left and I started, is that Professor Rao said hair washing project that was given to to us by Colgate actually gave us a lot of money, and using that money we could buy a computer. And that computer laid the foundation of my career, because although I joined the biophysical lab, but I was more of a computer guy than a chemist. So today I'm a computational biologist, and thanks to that Colgate family project-based computer in our lab.
Thank you.
And the last thing is that my seniors used to plot graphs using the graph pad, putting dots on that data, and I used to plot graphs using Howard Graphics using computer, and got a lot of गाली. क्या कर रहे हो? 15 दिन हो गया कोई graph नहीं आया, but I'm writing program. So that's how. And thank you, sir. All the memories have actually rekindled after seeing the seniors and you. And I'm very thankful that whatever we did, it ended up well. I am a computational biologist at CSR IGIB now.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you. Yeah. Anybody else we left?
Sanjeev was there initially, but where is Sanjeev?
Yeah, I didn't see him after some time. I think I saw
I
his
think he
name.
dropped off.
He dropped off. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry. I think anybody we missed. Otherwise, thank you everyone for saying so many great things about Dr. Rao and rekindling our memories. I'm going to show the souvenir we made in just a second, but I have written a lot of my memories in the write-up, so I'm not going to repeat, but I can say a couple of words. I like to say a few words. Dr. Rao made each one of us special. I think that's what came up in the entire conversation here. Everybody was made to feel special, and that's not easy. And you can try, but it's not easy. Professor Rao, that's so special of you to keep everyone, a happy child. We were not all that, there were some mischievous things that we all did, of course. We can now say that. We used to do experiments without telling you. I'm talking for myself. And I used to approach you, thinking that you would scold or something because money was precious, but you used to ask me all questions and then got me more interested. And that's how the magnetic CD experiments were born. I think your curiosity was something that you gave all of us. And thank you for that. I'm just going to share my screen in just 1 second. And
will you ask Dr. Rao to open that?
Exactly. Yeah.
I don't know how to do it. In this sense,
he wants to open something.
No,
It's a kind of a souvenir.
I'm doing the slideshow. Bharati, if I send you email now, can you give it to Dr. Rao to show it to us?
Yeah.
Okay. I will do that.
Nice.
I will do that, and then while they're opening it, I will show the screen as do the PowerPoint. I'm just sending it in less than a minute.
We used to do more work when sir was away. Sir used to go out for 15 days to US and all. So we used to just say Gopala said. So probably I didn't do so much extra work, but then we did all those experiments which we wanted to do in sir's absence, trying out various things. And so H.G. Krishnamurti used to come to our lab and say, "Acha, all of you are there. It is in full swing." He said, "Yeah, you are all very
Bharati,
serious
did you
workers." He
see?
used to say.
Bharati, I sent you. Just 1 minute. Bharati, I sent email. Did you get it?
Gmail, I don't have it yet.
Okay, then I will. Let me do let me share my screen.
It should be the same either way. So go ahead and share your screen.
Yeah. I'm just doing that. Yes.
Gopala, can we also hear from Bharti, Diva, and Ravi, please?
Yeah. Of course. And I thought first let's finish
And
our
sir,
part.
of course, sir also.
Yeah, very right. Perfect.
After the inauguration.
Yes, of course.
Can you hear me?
Please.
I'm
Thank
trying
you.
to find. I'm trying to find where
Can you
the
hear me?
screen went. That's it.
This is Ravi. Can you hear
Find
me?
it, it's the bottom, share screen.
Okay. No, I got it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello? Can you hear me? No, something else is coming.
Yeah, screen is shared. Yeah.
Yes, screen is showing.
Yeah,
Yep.
we can see.
Yep.
To the screen. Okay.
This is Ravi. Can you hear me?
It's blank.
It's coming now. You must be
Yeah.
seeing.
So
Can you see?
open the link.
Yeah,
You
you
can
have to
see a
open
link.
the link.
I am sharing the screen now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we see the link.
Yeah, but can you hear me? Can you hear us?
Yes, we can hear.
So you can hear me? This is Ravi.
Yep.
Go ahead, Ravi. Then you're talking.
You know, my sympathies to all of you. I remember the people who used to come home and daddy used to be dictating and walking back and forth, and we are saying, Baba, kyun tang kar rahe ho usko aise? And still the situation is the same, okay? We are not good enough. So my sympathies to all of you. Thank you.
Bharati, I'll add that all of you were such a big part of our childhood. Like for me, the definition of a good picnic was formed by Satish and Suresh and Alok used to organize these epic food fests in, I remember the Park, in which the handi with some sort of pulao or biryani was bigger than me. I have no idea how you carried it, but I was very little at that time. And they were completely on top of this. You know, like Satish and Suresh and Alok would just organize these things all the time. And I remember all of you indulging me when I used to come to the lab. Like Alok and Satish used to put potassium permanganate crystals just to keep me distracted in the lab, and I would just sit there and stare at them for hours and hours, you know. So our father was a big part of your life, but all of you were a really, really big part of our life. I think I remember every one of you.
Yeah, right. You're all like family, and one thing I remember is that I always thought all of you were like so like super smart and brilliant. You know, we were just in high school, and somebody doing a PhD was like a genius, you know, doing some weird chemistry. We're struggling with basic inorganic, organic chemistry in 11th standard, 12th standard, and how do these guys do this? They must be like geniuses. It's one of them.
And I think the other thing that made a lasting impression on me is that we all grew up in the Delhi school system, and our peers were fellow Delhi people, right? So one thing that has to this day a really core value for me is that so many of you started out in life without all the advantages we had in Delhi, right? And you all stepped out of your own circumstances and families and worked so hard. I remember that about so many of you. Like, you know, we were laughing about Alok and the Bhat, but he brought his Odia life to Delhi and he had to start from zero. And to this day, I think that's just an amazing, amazing thing about all of you.
Yeah, indeed.
Bharti, You remember we all had gone to Jaipur?
Yes,
Yeah. All the professor came from Sri Lanka.
yes. We still have all those photos in the Hyderabad house.
Yeah, yeah.
Divakar, you want to say something? You want to say something?
No,
He has already said.
Oh, but Mahanti is here.
He is silent as ever.
Yeah, she came back.
Bharati,
Coming on
Bharati,
board
do you,
just now.
Bharati, do you remember where is the key on the board?
Oh, yes.
Tying the key and asking where is the key.
Yes.
We always what see.
Atray madam, do you want to say anything else? Or I'm going to share. I'm going to share the screen now.
She's just joining.
Who?
He's still connecting.
She's still connecting. That's Anandi auntie on the right corner.
Yeah, Anandi is there. She's there.
Yeah.
Madam, would you like to say something?
Still trying to join.
Okay, let me get started this way.
And you know who is missing is Jagdish, another one of the key picnic organizers.
Right, true.
He is right there with you in the California.
Oh my goodness, Daddy, look at this picture.
That's why.
Rasa, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going. It came out to be a 52 pages, so I'm just going to quickly.
But you can minimize the ads.
Yeah, I'm going to do all that stuff, buddy. Okay. Okay. So this is your cover page, sir.
Oh yes, that's great. Oh, nice.
These are the contributors. We will. I mean, you have received. I sent you email, Bharati, so you could show to sir as well later. But I'm just going to go quickly, as we can.
That's very nice.
Yeah. So Arun has written the longest in his, in his write-up.
Oh wow, impressive!
I'm looking forward to reading this.
And he asked me. He asked me to edit it, but no, I could not do as a good justice like Dr. Rao could do. I wanted to make him write 18 times, like Dr. Rao was going to do for all of us. So Dr. Rao, I spared him that torture from me.
That's very impressive.
So this is a group picture, that
Oh wow, from the lab.
Yeah.
in the lab. I think this, unfortunately, like Bharati was mentioning, we did not have the technology and the cameras in those days.
Yeah,
So
very right.
We missed quite a few.
No, I had
moments.
Gopal. I had one camera. These pictures we took at that time.
I know, but in that camera, see the quality now because.
Right.
Yeah, but I
But
think
we had the
least-
photographic memory.
Absolutely, but I think at least Suresh, you and Arun had that photos, so at least we had some good pictures.
Right. Yeah.
So I think
Oh,
Nayan,
Nayantara is in that picture. I see on the
that is
left,
this-
there's Nayantara, right?
Nayantara, yeah.
Nayantara.
Yeah.
Hard to see the other two.
Are you, I'm sorry, are you shifting the pages or we have to do? You
No,
are.
I'm shifting the pages.
He's
There must
shifting.
be-
He's turning.
Yeah, I'm turning the pages. There may be small lag. This one giving some time. Okay. Okay. So that was Suman. This is Satish. Satish is documenting himself as doing CD. Satish bhai.
Oh, there's Satish in the lab.
Yeah.
Satish in the lab, yeah. Dr. Rao in the background. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
But I made a comment on this photo. You didn't add Gopala. I made a comment. You look at the picture, go back. Look at the picture. Satish is smiling and enjoying, but Dr. Rao is not amused at all.
I did not want to embarrass Satish bhai.
Satish is laughing at the instrument, CD instrument. And Dr. Rao is very serious.
Next, let me go to next one. Yeah. Is Ashok joined us? Not yet. Maybe not. Okay, yeah. So these are the pictures I got from Bharati and Diwakar. So I took advantage of whatever I had in my possession.
Oh, nice.
Thanks to both of you. You can read. So this is the last. This is the last but one page, sir.
Professor Atre has joined.
Yeah. Mommy and daddy.
Very nice collection.
Yeah. And then the last one, Dr. Rao, we kept it for you. Happy birthday once again on behalf of all your lab alumni.
Thank you very much.
Atre madam joined now. I'll go to page. I'll go to first
Very
page
well
to
done.
show her.
Very well done.
Thank you.
Where is Atre?
I think she's there. Madam,
We will also get a list.
Madam, you can unmute
Madam,
yourself.
We would like to hear from Madam more.
Yes,
Happy birthday.
I can hear her now.
you can hear. Madam, namaste from all of us.
Namaste, namaste,
Good to see
madam.
you.
Madam, you have to unmute.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, we could hear her.
Then unmute. She started.
Gopala, if you stop the screen share, we'll be able to see Mahanti more clearly.
I'm trying to see if I can make her only. I don't know how to make it.
Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am? So nice to see you.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
So very nice to see you.
Good
after
morning,
very long-
madam.
There she is, Mahanti.
Good morning, madam.
Where?
There she is.
Morning.
I cannot see her. I cannot see.
She's there. With the bindi and everything.
No, she is Anandi, yeah. Anandi.
Yeah, she's Anandi, madam.
No, madam, madam is there.
Mahalakshmi.
Madam.
Now she's Mahalakshmi.
Madam has now joined.
Madam is on her own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Auntie,
Dr. Rao,
Yes,
you want, now,
Madam.
Mahalakshmi madam, madam, namaste. We are waiting to
Namaste.
hear from you.
So all the best to Professor Rao and all the best to all of you. It was
Thank
good
you.
that you could convene a meeting like this. And I'm sorry I was not able to connect it earlier. And difficulties in setting up the lab and etc. from Professor Rao. So I'm sure you got the history of the whole thing, and right now, since you are all well up in your life, have done well, and your family, and I wish you all the best. That's all I
Thank
want
you,
to
madam.
say.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
madam. We
ma'am.
wish
Thank
you
you,
a,
ma'am.
Thank you.
we
Wish
wish
you
you
a
a good
very,
health
very-
and longevity.
Miss you, ma'am.
Wish you a very happy and healthy life.
Yes.
I do hope so. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Hope
Very
to
nice.
see you in Bangalore sometime.
Yes, yes, yes. We can have a
Okay.
meeting there.
Yeah, true.
Not a
Physical
Zoom
meeting.
meeting.
No,
Doctor,
no,
when are
ma'am,
you?
physical meeting.
Yeah, exactly.
Dr. Rao,
Doctor, when are you coming back to Hyderabad?
I do not know. My children are bothered about COVID.
No,
Oh,
sir,
really?
COVID is now almost, after Diwali, you can plan because the third wave or whatever, fourth wave is expected to, if it is there, it will be over by the end of, after the Diwali. So maybe
Rajeshwari.
December, January, it will be
Rajeshwari,
fine.
I have a question for you. Can you tell us a situation where Dr.
Yes.
Rao was the bad guy and Dr. Atre was the good person and solved the problem?
they're hand in glove.
Okay?
Ravi, they're hand in glove.
Yeah.
There are many such instances, but don't tell today because today is Professor Rao's day, so we will not tell anything. He has troubled us a lot.
So
That
who
was
was the good cop? Who was the bad cop? That's what we want to know.
Depends on the day of the week.
Can I say something? Can I say something here?
Yeah, go
Hello?
ahead.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I remember during the years when I was a student in the lab, I was the only female student. I think seniors, Nayantara and all had left by that time. And I see many female students, maybe they joined later. So for about 4 to 5 years, predominantly I was the only female student. So ma'am used to be a big this thing for me because these boys were very, very naughty and mischievous, all of them. So they were, I remember one incident I would like to share here. It was Holi. And these boys were in full mood and they had put all that color on me. And I was scared that, Rao sir and ma'am will be angry with me that why you are playing Holi in the lab. And after I wanted to wash my face. So I used T-Pol, which we used to, for glassware washing. I used T-Pol to wash my face. And after some time, ma'am came and called me. She said, come to my room. So I was so scared that she's going to shout at me what you people are doing in the lab. And she just, opened her drawer, took out a cold cream from the drawer and gave it to me. She probably saw that I was using T-Pol for washing my face. I was so surprised. She said, don't use T-Pol. It is so hard on your face. Use this cold cream immediately. So this was her presence in the lab, so affectionate, so caring.
No, but no one answered. Who was the good cop? Who was the bad cop? We still want to know this.
No, they said it depends on the
Day of the week.
Right.
No, it often depended on the situation.
Yeah,
There
I
used
think
to be
someday
confusions
Professor Rao
while
himself
making
will play good
coffees.
cop, bad cop.
Yeah.
Morning he is a good cop, in the evening he is a bad cop.
Dr. Rao was always diplomatic. Madam used to be practical. So okay, Dr. Rao, we want to hear from you. Dr. Rao, we want to hear from you.
Can I say something?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Floor is
They are
yours
eager.
now.
Reflecting what has happened in the last so many years and then the gap in between, something hits me very much that we are very, very badly off financially. There is no project, there is no fellowship available, there is no money to buy anything. So Professor Atre and myself decided that we have to do something serious because within the department, the culture was only Professor Seshadri has money, has fellowships. None of his associates in organic chemistry had anything to do. Similarly, Professor Mitra in physical chemistry, he is the only person who has some money there. At that time, I decided to apply for a fellowship for money.
For a grant.
For a grant from CSIR on what Jagadish was working at that time on the kidney stone that one. And the eminent committee with Professor Seshadri as the chairman and Professor Mitra as the physical chemistry section in charge, they sanctioned 1,500 rupees for working, no fellowship. You work this. So I refused to accept that money there. Then it turns out we went to Natural Science Academy. They had some little money, a very short period, and then met Professor Swaminathan. This is our problem. Then he said,
My God.
I have also a problem. So Professor Seshadri would not allow me to give any money to you people without his knowledge in the department. But I will see what I can do. He sent our project to Professor Srinivasan of BARC, and he sent a very, very positive report, give as much money as they want. So what did Swaminathan do? One fellowship. for 1 year, quarterly reports, subject to quarterly satisfactory report. Project is for 1 year. So 1 quarter after 3 months, we have to submit a report. Again after 3 months. And what do we do? So I said, okay, we agreed. And at the end of that, again, we gave a report. And we ran into Professor Swaminathan someplace. And then he said, come. He remembers all the faces and names very clearly. It was a great boon for him. He said, Professor Srinivasan has saved my skin. So please explain what has happened. He said, you give, everything is all right. The progress is good. You give them more money. He said, I'm saved from Professor Seshadri. So a long time telling that we met everybody, the Director General of CSIR. I met the Director General of Council of Medical Research. That led to a project where Jagdish got his fellowship from that. So in this vicissitudes of life in the department, with no money, with ideas to do something there, who supported us? Who is with us? All of you. You are the chaps who are all working in the lab there. Understood, perhaps unsaid. We never told about this in details anywhere out there. They are with us there. And I'm very, very proud of all of you for a variety of reasons. When Professor G.N. Ramachandran asked me, I want to come and visit your department to talk to your MSc students.
Wow.
I said, what is this? So I gave a lecture in Institute of Science on Alok's work. And maybe that has led to that one. And your syllabus is modern. And I want to talk to the students. How much do you understand it or not? So I picked him up at 9 o'clock at INSA guest last year and left him back at 5 o'clock in the evening. Throughout the day, Professor Ramachandran was only talking about subject. In a lunch break, I took him to my place and asked Padma, he's a very simple person, should be very simple food. Rasam should be there definitely and all that. So Padma organized all that. And then there also, he was telling something about the subject there. Diva and Ravi came from the school in their uniform, namaste, namaste. You come. Then continued his talk. He is not bothered about anything else in the world there. But then she found that, why is it that he is doing this one? That because of our students. Professor Harker from Harvard University visited us. He was sitting on the stools near the coffee making pot, that area, and he won't leave the lab. At 6 o'clock, I said, what should I do with this gentleman? He gave a talk in the department. What is it he's keeping him? Because he's talking to the students, right? So naturally, what do we feel? Proud of all of you that one there. The incidents like quite a few that somebody tells in a after a selection committee meeting, this chap comes from Delhi University Rao's and Northwest lab. You don't bother. They are well trained. So you just don't worry about that one. I said that, okay, we never spoke to any expert to give a job to any one of you that were there, but then that's what they're telling. So we feel proud of you that we're there. There are any number of occasions there. One occasion, is Satish around there? Yeah. That two people took a lot of grave personal risk. One was Mahalakshmi Atre. She was a PhD student and typical of Professor Mitra. I said, Atre, you synthesize peptides? Where you have to use phosgene gas. And
Oh.
to generate phosphine, oh, carbon tetrachloride and acid and things like that. So you do that. So this girl, this lady agreed. And there is no fume cupboard in the entire department. In the presently an organic laboratory, MSc final one, opposite Dr. Saharia's room, Dr. Mukherjee's room, that one there, one rickety fume cupboard was there. And so many stopcocks which do not work properly were fixed up. And this madam started producing phosgene gas and passing through some solutions for peptide synthesis there. Body is poison gas. Any leak anywhere will be a nuisance that one there. But she went through till one day I got a message in Guard Hall where I was eating food and I was in the fellows court that said botany department से खबर आया कि एक लड़की है महालक्ष्मी का नाम उनका तो तबीयत ठीक नहीं है she is reached Miranda House. So I ran back to the department and told Mitra साहब ये हालत है. Then he said he ran back along with me to Professor Majumdar's room and Professor Majumdar had physics department and then he called his driver. तो ये साहब को ले जाओ मिरांडा हाउस वहां से लड़की को ले आ रहा है हॉस्पिटल चलो अंदर तो जाओ. So I went to Miranda House. The gate was open and then some gamlas were broken. And we went into the central quadrangle there and there's a Mahalakshmi kaha hai. By the time the other girls knew and then they brought her. So I took her to Hindura Hospital. And fortunately, she was all right. Similarly, the same risk was taken by Satish Babu. We got by the time a phosgene cylinder and he said that we will do the synthesis right in the lab. I said, where is the lab? Under the neem tree outside this one there. He put a fan on a stool and it is behind him so that the point is that the air will displace the phosgene in the atmosphere, it will degrade. Whatever I try to tell him, because Shastri is good in these synthetic patterns, I do not know, he would not agree. It's a personal risk that he has taken. And then he went through that. So we are proud of all of you that are there. And somebody tells from somewhere, to Padma, my wife, that when there, because of Sir, I can raise my head and talk to any Caucasian, anybody there. We are not bothered at all about it. Anybody I can talk to. Some professor tells that, you know, your students are different. In any interview, they outshine everybody. They are not afraid of answering any question. They answer it cleanly, neatly, and things like that. So I'm proud of all of you because that. The attempt was to see that your mind is clear in whatever you are doing, and you have the clarity of thinking that one day. So we are awfully proud of all of you there with this kind of things. Like Deepak is here, so he would not undertake washing girls' hair with a shampoo. Everything is done there. And when we set up the laboratory for the biophysical chemistry to work that there, we were short of money for anything. And Satish and company used to go to the airport and bring all this equipment, heavy equipment. And equipment was covered in wooden boxes, and that wood was used.
Yes.
To make tables, to make this. Again, when we are running the CD, you need a lot of oxygen. We realize that every day we need one cylinder, and we can't get it. But the science workshop has a liquid plant. So when the liquid nitrogen is available, but we have to convert it into gas in a regulated state. Somebody has a great idea. I won't remember who is that one there. They said, sir, into the big flask,
Thermocol box.
Yes.
put a copper
Yes.
copper tube inside, and it will absorb heat energy from that. It is a heat sink, and then there will be gas. So we could adjust that one, and anybody there. And we had different kinds of problems. The colleagues have started helped us all over. The CD's unit, life of this bulb is 500 hours. And the way these fellows used to work from day and night, 500 hours is over in no time. But I don't have $500 for it. So Dr. Balaram, you all know about Dr. Balaram in the Institute of Science, Bangalore?
Yeah.
But, I have some spare bulbs, and then he sent a bulb from there. So there are a number of stories like this that I feel awfully, greatly proud of all of you there. But each one has their own problems, and each one started out the problem and contributed to the thinking of it. Never say die. Never say die. That one.
There's one.
No, there used to be called 3 Kanyas. Why isn't it? Oh, they were there. Shashi, Suniti, Ratna. They are from the Delhi University. And all the 3 submitted their thesis and report appointment for the examination in the same day. In the committee of courses meeting, they asked, how is it? They said, how that 3 people are submitting this thesis simultaneously. They said, there is a talk initiated by us that before the submission of the thesis, the student should give a talk generally to all the departmental students and staff there. And they're waiting for you to decide, committee of courses to decide on that. Even now, they will, tomorrow, if you may fix the meeting, they will do that. So the word is around that these students are different. These students are positive, and you all have done well in whatever you do, including people like Shashi, who are fighting for the underdogs in Bihar or here or there and writing long reports that were there, and totally committed to this party. And these 3 Kanyas told me, said, you are not showing me any data. What is this one there? Said, we are doing something. And when the work is over, when all the data is analyzed by us, each and 3 of them there, we will show you. Please be patient. So I kept quiet. So that is the kind of student body we have. And then as my children are telling about going to picnics and things like that, there is a chap who organized for Jagjit Singh's concert in the university. And then me, Padma, my wife, and Atri, they were got special passes to sit in the front rows for that. Who is I? That one of you. So like that, there are many, many things. That this Lady Rajeshwari, who gave a lot of headaches in terms of analysis of data. The data was collected very nicely there, but it took quite a lot of time to analyze the data and to send it to Journal of Physical Chemistry, then to Transaction Further Society that one year. And there are 5 or 6 sisters. All of them have risen up, and she has written a book, Biophysical Chemistry, things like that. So, although I'm in no mood to celebrate any birthdays, because it's just 11 months since Padma passed away, but for her, I could have worked the way that I worked with you people, spent time with you people that were there, that she told her children before her death, this man doesn't know anything about his lab, and research, nothing about life. He doesn't know. You look after him. And they are looking after me by imprisoning me. You can't stay in Hyderabad alone. I hope to go home. It's very nice to see all of you.
There's one thing I want to add over here, that apart from the fact that because of the money considerations, I think the type of work that we undertook in the lab also helped all the people to have a holistic view of the problems, scientific problems that we were tackling. Whether we used gamma radiation, Alok was one who also helped in that. One of the students, he also got a, he worked totally on using radiation polymerization, which has nothing to do with biophysical chemistry. And so also we took all this because I attended a meeting in which Vikram Sarabhai was at that time, and he said, I invite in applications, but it should involve radiation. So I was told that you ask for any amount of money, bar, at least in those days, money means even getting a few lakhs was with great money. But they said they will give you the money so you can use it for your other purposes also. It would be relevant to point out over here that the money we got as in various projects from various people, whether it was the Defense Science Organization, which Arun Pantar knows fully well about, and whether it was from the ICMR or the like Vasudevan, who worked on polymers, which we could do an in situ polymerization on the body itself. So all this was very divergent. The point is I want to emphasize is, I think since so many different aspects of science was going on, touching the polymer field or polyamino acids, or whether it was the proteins or whatever it is, the group as a whole was a little more, became aware of many more things, unlike other research students who stick to one aspect of everything. I think the difficulty for getting money was so much that we got ourselves involved in starting new things which we had not done before, or were not perhaps fully equipped to do also. But I think on the whole, I do feel as a university laboratory, it is not the aim to produce only patents or anything like that. But I think we were able to, at least for myself, I feel we were able to imbibe in the students who worked in the lab, although they may be working in very different topics, they got a feel for a lot of things which were concerned at that time with even the what you may call as the time at that time that was the most relevant. So they felt very proud that they were not doing something which is an old foggy thing, but they were very much right in the field which is on in the world. I think that is, if I am right, somebody can comment on it.
Yeah, sure. Exactly, ma'am. That is exactly the thing. The foundations that to understand and I get new ideas under such circumstances, that you need to think out of the box, not just, get funds and do the work. But at the same time, we were given enough, we were encouraged to give our own ideas. That was very interesting that you both have made us to think. That is very interesting, because when something is not available, you need to think and see, come up with new ideas. And not only on the area that I was working. So I was aware of what Dr. Satish is doing and things like that. So it gave a overall picture and overall growth to science, the learning of science, and also going to the library to learn and go through the science direct magazines every week. So those things have actually given us the thought to understand the problem and think out of the box. You are exactly right.
So I can
I
summarize
also
one thing.
use.
Yeah, Dr. Rao, let Dr. Rao.
When nobody is prepared to give a grant for an equipment.
Oh,
And
yes.
without the ultraviolet spectrophotometers, we can't do anything. So we went to the Ministry of Defense because we heard Ministry of Defense is interested in liquid crystals. Okay. Then he said one phase, nematic phase, changes its color depending upon the temperature. So I wrote a project for that. And the Ministry of Defense may Raja Ramanna, the chairman, scientific advisor, said, why do you want to give this project to Delhi University? Ministry of Defense has so many research laboratories there. Why can't you go there? But the person, one principal scientific officer through which all these things were going through, he assured Ramanna, these people will deliver the goods for us and you allowed it. That's how we got the first instrument for ourselves exclusively that way. Similarly, Atri was talking about shortage of funds for amino acids and things like that. Then the China war has come afterwards. So much of adverse effects were there. So we had to produce a project which has got some applied utilities there. So we knew that from children and others that in Western countries they use some lightweighted polymer for bandages in the orthopedic cases when there is something, a crack or a break there, not heavy polyester plaster of Paris there. So
please allow me to join from another.
Pardon?
I think somebody's talking. Somebody's talking them, sir. Thank you. Go ahead, sir.
Polyurethane is to be prepared.
Let's mute.
So at that time, we took the help of biomedical engineering in Alok's units there, and this is not a regular PhD work. Whatever we are trying to develop. So lots of castor was purchased from store X and store Y. The moisture content is different there. So the result is different. And in the coffee club laboratory, the tables were full of ice cream under acts in which experiment after experiment has to be done with variations and all that. Right? Then it is succeeded. Ashok has done the result. He went through very nicely, and but this is not part of his PhD work. Unfortunately, the resultant was shown to be good by biomedical engineering.
Sir, I'm sorry.
Amino acids, other reagents and things like that. Okay. Yeah, actually, I'm repeating myself perhaps that one there. We're awfully proud of all of you, children. Alok was talking about his daughters, that one there, the grandchild. They call me Tata. And at my 60th birthday celebration in the house, the younger one cut the cake, things like that one. And I can only say at my age of 90, blessings to all of you, and a very happy life and successful further work. And I hope that you have trained enough number of people to think positively and correctly, things like that. All the best to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I wanted to say one thing about what we learned in the lab. Recently, LinkedIn interviewed me and said, what do you define innovation? And I said, Jugaad. So how you can be scrappy and get things done in a cost-effective way. And we learned that in your lab, how to put a Jugaad together, whatever it takes. So thank you, sir.
I just would like to say thank you, sir, whatever we are today is just because of you and only you. And what we have achieved, we tried to, at least I speak for myself, I tried to inculcate as much as I could learn, but I'm not sure that I could do a justice as much as you have done. You have given us the training, and you have had put faith in us, and you encouraged us at every stage. Even after PhD, I used to come to you and we were in touch. So thanks to you for all the guidance and for, giving us the training, not just in the lab, but in a total building up our personality. Thank you very much. And we are always grateful to you, and have no words to express, but I'm humble for words, but I really, we all love you, and we wish you a very, very happy and healthy life ahead. And please inform us when you come to Hyderabad. I would like to see you. I missed you for such a long time. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Nice
Bye,
job.
Diva. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bharti.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Gopala, for beautifully conducting and bringing all us together.
Sir,
Gopala.
Sir, one word I want to say, sir.
Hello?
Gopala, Arun, and hello.
When
Just 1
Gopala
minute. I want
started
to-
it, you were looking 90, but now you are looking the same as you were in the lab. And please maintain it like that. Please maintain it like that.
Very well said. Very well said.
Healthy
Thank you.
body, healthy mind. Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks to Gopala and Arun for beautifully conducting this. Thank you, sir, for joining us. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye,
Thanks,
Ravi.
everybody.
Bye. See. Diva. Bye, Bharti. Bye, bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice party. And send us, keep us cake for us.
I think apart from Professor Rao, we should also give our best wishes to the boys, as I say, Ravi and Divakar, and always the pretty little girl, Bharti.
Bharti, yes.
Eager.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thanks, everybody. Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gopala.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Anytime. I will speak with you. Thank you. Arun will send everyone the PDF.
Yeah, share that PDF of that.
I already sent. Suman, I already sent you. Arun.
I'll send you my email.
Sure, I will send you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
Gopal.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Gopal.
Thank you. Thank you.
చాలా
Thank you.
థ్యాంక్స్ బాగా చేసావు
పర్వాలేదు మ్యాషర్ బాస్ అంతా
థ్యాంక్ యూ
థ్యాంక్ యూ సతీష్ బాయ్
బాయ్ బాయ్
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం
ఐఎమ్ జూమింగ్ అవుట్
ఓకే మీ టూ యా బాయ్